This is War 02. Today, I'm going to be solving my 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Alright, well first, to solve it, I've got to mix it up. So that's what I'm going to do. There. Now that I'm done mixing it up, now I'm going to solve this thing. Alright, here we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Well, as you can see, I'm done, and my friend Devon is being a total ass. Have fun in the bathroom there. Alright, well anyway, see ya.